Now to the latest from the live desk streaming on CBS News Minnesota. It's been almost a month since the deadly floods in Texas, and today the community hit is shocked as new developments come out about the response from local leaders. Maria Lizignoli joins us now with those updates. Maria.
Shayla, there is shock and outrage in Texas after a hearing on last month's deadly floods reveals leaders were unavailable as the waters began to rise.
Nobody came for us. Nobody.
In a room packed with heartache, Kerrville and Kerr County officials defended their response to the deadly flooding on July 4th. Emergency Coordinator William Thomas, who previously refused to answer questions, said he'd taken that day off. He was home sick and asleep. Other leaders also said they were at a lake house or sleeping, which has lawmakers really upset as well.
The three guys in Kerr County who were responsible for sounding the alarm were effectively unavailable. Am I hearing that right?
108 people died in Kerr County, including 27 campers and counselors from Camp Mystic. And right now, 2 people are still unaccounted for, including one of those campers. Shayla.
All right, I'm Maria Lizignoli reporting important developments there. A reminder, Maria has headlines and live updates each weekday morning on our 24/7 free streaming service, CBS News Minnesota. You can find it on our website, Pluto TV, through the CBS News app, and on Roku TV. And many of us are looking for a way to help the people impacted by the Central Texas flooding. You can do that by joining us in CBS Texas for Loud for Love, a benefit concert. Watch it streaming on CBS News Minnesota Sunday at 8 p.m.